In this video, I'm going to show you how to download design as PDF in Canva. So let's get started. First, create a new design. It will be YouTube thumbnail, for example. Perfect. I'm gonna use some templates, night vibes, that's cool. And now we are going to try to download it as PDF. So what you need to do is click on share here and then click download. But before you download, you need to change the file type. So click here and click PDF standard or PDF print. This is the best option for printing, but if you want only just PDF standard, like for documents and emailing, just click PDF standard. Perfect. You get a lot of options here. You can flatten this PDF. You can include notes as well, and just click download. And that's it. This is how can you download. See, this is how can you download design as PDF. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel. And see you later. Goodbye.